Dzień dobry, cześć, welcome back to Warszawa, Warsaw. We're just sat in the hotel lounge. It's just taking an Instagram. We've got a couple of coffees. I've got an Americano classic. What you got, Kit?
I've got a vanilla latte, French vanilla latte. I haven't tried it yet.
I must say, the bar area is stunning, isn't it, in this hotel?
Yeah, we kind of regret not coming here yesterday after our dinner.
Yeah, last night instead of going to a bar, we could have just come straight because it's a really nice bar area. I had a quick tisky in the bar before going up. Yeah, it's a beautiful hotel, lovely bar area, staff are very kind. Definitely recommend staying here, wouldn't you, in Warszawa?
The beds are so comfy as well, the rooms are clean, like...
Friendly staff.
It's great. 24-hour bar and reception here as well, which is good.
Good coffee.
We were a bit worried when we first got here because we wouldn't have got here till 1 in the morning and we were a bit worried if there'd be anybody on reception, but it turns out it's 24 hours and so is the bar.
It's a nice spot to chill out, have a coffee, have a beer. They've even got a selection of cocktails, I think, all sorts.
And they've got like literally every spirit you can ever think.
Right, we'll have these coffees and then we're going shooting, so we'll see you in a minute. Do widzenia. Nice sunny day, isn't it, Kit? Dzień dobry.
Still gonna be 10 minutes late.
I'll be alright. Running a bit late to the shooting range, aren't we, Kit?
One more. So, will you go? And here we go. Here we go.
How was that, Kit? Did you enjoy that?
I did, but my finger hurts and so does my chest. I'm not very strong. I preferred the first gun because I was like, oh, was it a pistol?
The little pistol, yeah.
Yeah, I like that one, but the others, too powerful for me.
Yeah, your head flung right back on the shotgun.
I was just looking at the videos back and my head's going like this every single time.
Yeah, it's really good. Definitely recommend shooting if you're in Poland. It's one of the must-do activities, isn't it? It's something you can't do everywhere. What a lovely day as well.
I know.
So sunny. It's only about 4 degrees, but it feels a lot warmer than that, doesn't it? Because it's still. And we're just waiting to get a boat now back to the hotel. Time to check out. And we're going to explore the old town for a bit before we got to go home. We decided to abandon the boat and continue walking to the restaurant in the old town. The traffic is crazy today, isn't it, in Warsaw?
Very busy.
A lot of
stuff all about now.
There's a lot of people about today. I think because it's Sunday, it's nice weather. There's a lot of people out enjoying the sun, isn't there?
Yeah. It's very busy compared to yesterday.
So you've been here a couple of days, Kit. What do you think of Warsaw?
I do like it.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's a lot busier than like Krakow.
Yeah, it is a lot busier than Krakow, but it's not as touristy, is it? Doesn't seem to be as many foreign tourists, is there? We just had to overtake the horses because they stink. I don't know, it's a very distinct smell, horses. That's a nice building. Ciao Napoli, Italian restaurant. Right guys, we just sat down in this restaurant here. It's a very, very cosy small restaurant. We actually got the last table, didn't we, Kate?
We did.
but we both fancy some traditional Polish sausage. They actually serve half a metre, it says on here. Half a metre of Polish sausage, so that sounds good. Poproszę piwo, Bella. I would you like it?
Can I get Coca-Cola?
Chciałbym Polish sausage, jeden.
Czy z jakimiś dodatkami? Any sides? Są french fries, ziemniaczki,
French fries i salad, cucumber salad. Okay. Dziękuję. Service with a smile as always in Poland. So it's a very traditional restaurant here. All local dishes. They serve a lot of duck. They've got dumplings. As you already know, Polish food's very stodgy, very heavy food. Lots of meat, lots of bread. What drink do you reckon Kit went for? We literally got the last table in here. It's such a small place, very cosy.
It is. I actually run in here and go look because there was 2 other people outside. So I ran in.
What were they? I'm an hour and whether to come in or not?
That's why I left you. I'm like, no, I'm not risking it. You can take your time. I'm going.
Oh, we're in here now. I've gone for a classic perla. It's lovely, Kit.
Refreshing.
That's lovely. Do you like Polish lager? Here's a traditional Polish sausage. Got like a Dijon mustard dip. And what's what is ketchup maybe? And I believe this is cucumber and cream cheese, isn't it? The sauce.
I'm going to try chip first.
Fries nice? Good. Right, let's try this sausage then. It's got a really nice smoky smell. Bit of the Dijon mustard, that's what I assume it is anyway. Just love it. Yeah, it's really nice. If you're English, it's a bit like a much better quality saveloy. The Dijon mustard's really nice as well. Look at that. Yeah, that's really good. So the fries are like. Fries are 10 out of 10 as well. Have you tried this yet?
No.
I might as well try this. So this is cucumber with
Sour cream.
sour cream. Yeah? They have a lot of sour cream in Polish, don't they? That is really nice. So guys, wait till you see the size of this apple pie. That is absolutely massive, ain't it?
It is.
Go on, Kit, you want to do the taste test? It's got nice like lingonberries on the side as well, vanilla ice cream, cranberries. Really nice ice cream. Really nice. Well, that's lovely ice cream. Really creamy, isn't it? I'm going to try some apple pie now. It's hard to do this and vlog at the same time. It's lovely. That apple pie is 10 out of 10. That's really nice, isn't it? The ice cream as well, it's amazing. Right guys, we're going to enjoy this and then we'll get back to you. Well, that was amazing. Gamo joba. Georgian flag. That was lovely, wasn't it, Kit?
That was so good. That's probably the best meal I've had
I've,
this trip.
I think that was the best meal I've had in Poland. So good, the Polish sausage, oh, so smoky. That cucumber salad was so good, wasn't it?
Whose idea was that?
Yeah, it was your idea, wasn't it? But it was really like refreshing. It contrasted really well with the smoked sausage, didn't it? And the staff, the girls in there were really nice, weren't they? And
The apple pie was good.
oh, the apple pie, that was amazing.
I can't fault anything.
Yeah, it was so good. We'll definitely be back there again when we're next in
So cheap as
Warszawa.
well.
Yeah, it come to £29.50 for all that. That's in pounds. In zloty, it was like 147, and I gave them a little tip as well. But yeah, that was a lovely meal, wasn't it?
It was indeed.
And we just walked past the Georgian restaurant that we were originally going to go yesterday, weren't we?
Yeah.
Right, Now we're gonna have a little wander around the old town before we head back to the hotel and make our way back to lovely England. One thing I do really like about Poland as a whole is it's so clean, isn't it? There's no litter. It's lovely. I like the fact people here take pride in their country and keep it very tidy and clean. It's one thing I really like about Poland. One of the many things I really like about Poland, how clean it is and safe, and the people. They're good people here. Nice people, isn't they? Very friendly, welcoming. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Jak się masz?
W porządku, dziękuję. A co u Ciebie?
Bardzo dobrze.
Dziękuję, bardzo dobrze.
Dobry wieczór. Me and Kit are now sat in Warsaw Modern Airport. We've had a great.
In our faces.
Yeah, we've got some Polish sweets here. I've gone for a classic polski. This is a Warszawa brewed beer. It's really nice. First time I've had it. Kit stopped stuffing her face with sweets.
Hey, you were as well. You just didn't do it on camera.
Yeah, I must add, Polish sweets are top tier, and Polish lager as well. Like I said, this can, this Polski can, check that out, badass. And it's a Warszawa, it's a Warsaw beer as well, by the look of it. Haven't seen this one before, but anyway, Poland, you've been amazing. You have a great weekend, great food, great people, and just great, all-round great place to visit. So if you haven't been to Poland yet, you need to come here. So Poland, dziękuję, do widzenia.